Ever wondered how noodles are made so fast? Let's go inside the factory. It all begins with simple ingredients like flour and water. The ingredients are mixed into a soft dough.
The dough is kneaded to achieve the perfect texture.
It is rolled into thin sheets.
Layers are folded to improve texture.
The sheets are cut into long noodles. Fresh noodles move along the production line. They are steamed to cook partially.
The noodles are cooled down quickly.
They are fried to lock their shape.
Excess oil is removed.
Noodles are shaped into blocks. Each block is inspected for quality. The noodles are sealed into packets. Flavor packets are added. Packets are packed into boxes. They are stored before
From factory to your bowl, ready to enjoy.